So, this is your question.
Maya pa ba yun?
Yes. What have you discovered about yourself during this journey that helps you to be motivated? In Tagalog, ano ang natuklasan mo tungkol sa iyong sarili sa kompetisyong ito na nagbibigay sa iyo ng motibasyon?
This journey discovered me in knowing my voice and my purpose. Because as I stand here, not just as a candidate, but someone who has a story to tell, an experience that I will share to each and everyone. For my advocacy for mental health awareness, I myself faced so much struggles in life, but I am standing here proving and striving on life, and I hope I will be the symbol of hope to each and everyone. Because I am a Ginoo who carries compassion and determination and leads with purpose.
Thank you so much for that. Ginawa niyo natin.